About 2 weeks ago, I was browsing on the internet and an ad for TEMU popped up. Interested, I thought, what Samsung accessories can I get from this phenomenon that is TEMU? So I picked some up. Let's go. I've completely forgotten what I've ordered. This arrived and I didn't even know it was here. I saved it just in time. I almost got it ran over by our sliding gate, electronic gate at the front door. Stopped it just in time, as you can see from the photo. So let's dive into what's in here so I can figure out what it is I actually bought. Now I just typed in Samsung accessories and went to town really on what I could get. Everything is so cheap in there, which means it's obviously not going to be very good. Let's dive in. Okay, there's bags within a bag. I'll get to that in a moment. There's another bag, okay. Let's start with this thing here. We'll come back to this in a moment. What is this? It doesn't tell me on this what this is, but this is effectively what it looks like. I don't know what this is. So I might come back to this, and once I come back to it, I'll be able to figure out what it is. So we'll just leave you there. Let's keep going. Ha! This next one here is like a old school corded telephone, and I guess it looks like it plugs in to the bottom of a phone via the headphone jack or USB-C. All right, let's take a look and see how it works. So the good news is it's USB-C, which means it's going to be able to be used with smartphones. Let's plug it in. Is this what it means by... Anyway, it's got that its headphones are plugged in, so let's just put a YouTube video on and see what's going on, eh?
Should you want to add that thing back in, you've got to add a control button, which gives you a
It's awful sound quality.
customizable quick panel that is more modeled in my image, which is much better than the options that were there before.
Now it also, I'd imagine, would have a microphone. So let's see if I can use this to record some audio and see if it's actually going to record. Yep, recording through USB mic. Okay, so this is now me talking into this telephone that's now corded into the bottom of the phone. Let me know what it sounds like. Ugh. Oh, there's volume on there too. It just turns the volume up on there. Okay, let's go loud. The button on here pauses the video. Okay, bit of fun, but rubbish audio quality. But look at it, it's so cool. This is just now a great toy for the kids. Rosina, put it up to your ear. There you go. All right, let's dig back in here. What do we got here? Oh, we got a pen. A universal stylus pen. Great, I've got the S26 Ultra here, so I can do a side-by-side comparison. Oh, it needs to be charged. So that's fun. And there's different replacement tips. All right. Oh, feels really gross. But doesn't look too bad. I don't mind the style of it, but is that meant to be a button? Oh, yeah, it's... I don't know what that is. Is that the charging port? It's the charging port there. Okay. Don't know why it needs to be covered, to be honest. Let's see if it works without needing to be charged. Doesn't look like it. How does it turn on? Let's grab the cable here, plug it in. Okay, I'll let this charge and then maybe we'll come back to it, I reckon. Right, what else we got? Okay. Oh, it's a solar battery or a solar charger. Okay, I think. Nothing else in there. Let's take a look at this. Do I take this off? Like, what do I do here? So I think I plug this in get a USB cable and plug that into the bottom of the phone. So I'd plug this into here, right? And then this would be solar charger. And then I plug this into the phone here. And if the sun is shining, that will charge that. You'd have to imagine. I'll have to try this out when the sun's out tomorrow morning because it is nighttime right now. But that's cool, a little solar panel charger. All right, so it's the next day. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day out here. The sun is shining. Our solar panels on our roof are working as well. Absorb that sun. In our app, you can see that it is pulling in 9.82 kilowatts and putting 7 of that into the battery and the rest is charging the car. So not bad, it means there's quite a bit of energy being generated by the sun today. So will our solar panel from Temu charge our phone? That's the question I've got. So I'm gonna put it in the sun and then I'll plug the phone into the bottom. Ha, success. It is literally charging the phone. Now it says slow charging, but it is charging. You can see it there. You can see it up there. So that is a success. This solar panel is charging the phone via the sun. No battery or battery pack needed, just the energy from the sun. It is slow, but who cares? In emergencies, what a solution. I wonder if I can find a way to mount this onto the window there. Could I get free power from the sun on my window? I'll try it out. Charging. It literally is working. Not bad. Infinite power. Let's dig back in. A couple of bigger items in there too. Gee, I got a lot. A binocular. Okay. What's this thing? A telephoto lens. Oh, so it clips onto the phone and becomes a telephoto. All right, so this is the lens attachment here. I don't know how it's meant to go onto the phone though, because it's a little screw attachment, but there's nothing to screw on. There's nothing to screw on. Looking at the picture, that's the only thing we need. Looking at the picture here, you'd think there's an attachment for it that would come in and be able to tell you and like how this works, but that attachment there isn't in the box. So we've just got this thing here that is now useless. Anyway, let's see if I can put it onto the phone and see what happens. So I'll put it on photo, just put it over the top. That's what I took. No. The pile is getting increasingly messy over there, I'll tell you that much. All right, we go back. Got this little tiny one here. It looks like, oh, it's a little USB thumb drive, I guess you could call it. I'm not going to put that in here, so let's chuck it in my S25 Ultra, shall we? Phone that I'm not using at the moment. So plug that in. Oh, I've just launched Smart Select by accident. Okay, so let's go into my files and see if this is recognized as something. Oh, it's a little micro SD card reader. Okay, that's actually quite cool. Got a micro SD card here. Let's chuck this in and see if I can read it on here. Okay, we shall wait. Okay, it's not picked it up on here. Maybe I will have to try it in my S26 Ultra in case there's something wrong with the charging port. Okay, that's vibrated. Let's take a look in my files. Nope. It's picked up nothing. In case you can't tell, privacy display is on. Yeah, nothing. Didn't get a thing. So that's not working. What a shame. What a good idea this was. Like, it's so small and the SD card just slots right into there. You'd think that that would work, but it's not worked. Try one more time, because I'm a sucker for punishment. Nothing. Damn. Okay, the pen. Is the pen done? It's got 4 green lights, so that must mean it's charged. But again, how do you turn this on? Is it like connect via Bluetooth here? Let's have a look at the Bluetooth list. Doesn't appear to be anything in here that would indicate that it's ready. If I just plug it back in. No. What's the point of these if they're not going to work? Maybe it, you know what? It's for iPads. Okay, so this morning curiosity got the better of me and I went and picked the pen up off the floor, and by accident I realized that you actually need to turn it on with the button at the top, but it doesn't present as a button. So it was an accident, but I figured out it works. And then I looked at the box, and the box says something about, the instructions, sorry. Where are we here? Thank you for choosing our Stylus products, blah, blah, blah. Make sure your device is turned on and in a writable state. And it says double tap or long press to turn on. That could have been made clearer somehow, but it is this button at the top here. You double press and then the lights come on and then it works. And then all of a sudden you've got yourself a stylus that can work on the screen. So if I bring up my Samsung Notes here, I've got it set to pen. Well, it's not going to work on this one, so maybe I'll, you know what? Fold. There we go. Fold 7. So there is obviously no pen support on here whatsoever. Let's open this up. It's not the best pen. All right. Now let's select pen up here. Ha! It works on this Fold 7. And it's clunky, but it works. Okay. Okay, let's see what's next. It's getting a bit thin now. Oh, the camera clip for the binoculars. Duh. Okay, now we can try this. Or can we? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I need to get that up like that. Where's this meant to go? How are you meant to put this on? It doesn't even... That can't be real. That can't be real. No. So the clip doesn't really actually do anything or go anywhere. So I can show you how it screws on. Like that's screwed on now, but where am I gonna, where's that gonna clip onto? There's literally no way this for it to clip on. So waste. Okay. This is that for something? Could be a spacer for this, to be honest. Probably is. No point though. Can't use it. Okay. Oh, a USB hub. This might actually come in handy. So, why is there a full-size USB on there? Might come in handy for laptops actually, but I'm more interested in this one. So, let's plug that in to the bottom of the phone. And I've got 3 USBs, a micro SD card slot, a full SD card slot, a headphone jack, and a USB-C slot. So now I can see if the SD card situation, oh, that sounded crunchy. Oh, anyway, let's see if anything happens on the phone here. Go in, no, it's not picking it up at all. What is the point of you? Nothing. The blue light's on, so that means it definitely works. But in terms of, like, maybe let's try the micro SD card slot. I want something to work. Okay, that's the other way. Okay. Is it going to read it? No. It is not showing up in external storage. So, no, this isn't a good phone accessory either. So, I figured out what this little thing is. It's a little watch stand. So, you feed the cable of your watch charger through the top of it, all the way, clip it into the little cable holder at the bottom, and then you clip in the little watch charger thing into the little hole, and then you've got a little charging stand for your Galaxy Watch. Now it's actually quite useful, because now I can sit it here and it can be charging. I actually don't hate it. I have one left, and it's a big one. A mobile screen amplifier. So it's promising to be my portable home cinema. So I chuck the phone into here, and then I guess it's going to amplify the sound and the picture. Try not to watch in strong light for the best. I'm glad it's for the best. Well, I'm just going to open it. Maybe we might have some success. Okay, there's nothing else. Oh, I get to do a peel. That's exciting. I hope. If I can dig it out. There we go. It's one of the better peels I've ever had. Okay, so it seems like I have to assemble it. Oh, assembly. You don't want to watch me assemble it, so I'm just gonna do that. Alright. Right, I built it. This is what it is. It's a magnifier. It says it has a PMMA Fresnel lens on it. That's what it says. I don't know what that means, and I'm not going to look it up. So feel free to do that if you want to. Basically, there is a slot here at the back where the phone goes in, and then I put the phone in, and it's meant to then project onto this screen here, nice and big. So let's chuck a video on, shall we? And I'll put the sound up too.
And because Apple only really compete with themselves from a platform standpoint, iOS is only for them and no one else. There's no scrutiny, I guess, from their users to upgrade hardware as relentlessly as what some of the Android world has to. So Apple play it safe with their hardware upgrades.
It's actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. Like, it needs to be on a better angle.
Was a complete failure. And iOS 26 with liquid glass.
Like, the angle isn't great. So, like, I need to hold it up like this for myself to be pointing up at me. But, like, if you actually, like, you guys would see that there. If you're watching that, like, I'll just take the phone out for a second, and you can see, like, that's the phone on its own. And then if I pop this back in, and you watch it like this, that's okay. I genuinely do not hate this. I don't hate this. I really don't. It's got the little antenna there. Like, you can even, no, you can't pull it up. Okay. But there is also a little charging spot here where I can take that out. It's like a pass-through charger that I can then plug in. Like, that's genius. I think it's this way, if I face it this way. And then I can, yeah, pass through charging through there, like with a charger. And then I just watch my content amplified. This is genuinely not bad. I wish these dials moved. Anyway, that's TEMU Samsung Tech. So don't hate it. But yeah, thank you for watching my rubbish unboxing. I've got to now clean up everything. What's happened here? Hit subscribe to see more rubbish. I'm probably not going to do this for a while because, well, it's rubbish. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You! That didn't work. Maybe this way. Ah!